we'll use the existing roof to go out, or do you think I gotta test the roof for new penetrations?
You might be able to use that, right?
Huh?
We'll try and use it, but it might be, if you're gonna have the person out here, it might be good just to test the roof just in case. Because it looks like the water heater's got flues and stuff too. Yeah, so,
Yeah.
yeah, it'd be nice to not maybe change around the roof, but we're trying to get a boiler to fit in here. So, you know, that molten boiler, that steam, we have concerns that it's not gonna fit in here. So our first step is to be able to fit in here, and then it's kind of like wherever that boiler needs to be, then that's where the flue needs to go. So it might be just easier to have it sampled while the person is here.
I'll let them know after today.
Bring it up to code, right? So, all those, gas solenoid valves we're adding to all the other boilers right now?
Yep, we'll do that.
We'll do that here.
Yeah, and then earthquake valve on the gas outside, so those are one.
So we got condensate line coming from the roof. Looks like it's just a condensate drain, not steam. Spills into this sink here. Yeah.
Yeah, they're calling that off if the condensate's on the roof.
This in the center?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got your gas coming in here, pumps out, right? Wow, that's your.
Well, the vent for the regular.
Yes, the vent, the roof, but.
Through this wall down here, it
Through
looks like.
down there?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it looks like the what is that called? Vent elbow drain. Close down. Goes to the secondary pump. Blow on goes to this little sump. Got a little sump pump in there. There's the blow down line. Comes off the
What is it,
boiler
door there?
header.
Yeah.
Okay, Trent.
Connects there. Valve off, valve off, drops down.
So what if we have a bigger flashlight?
Yeah.